So if we have more than one turtle, all we're gonna do is add an S, and now we have...
Turtles?
That's right, very good. Now if we have more than one goose, it would be...
It'd be gooses.
No, it's geese. You don't see how... It's because it's more than one goose.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Here, let me give you one more try here. Let's do this right here really quick. Let's do this right here. What word is that?
Moose?
Moose. Yes, very good. So more than one moose would be...
Meese?
No.
I mean, mooses?
Nope.
Moosies?
It'd be moose. You don't see how... If we have one moose, it would be moose. But if we have multiple moose, it would be moose.
Okay.